Ever notice your car eating up fuel, making strange rattles, or flashing that check engine light non-stop? These are signs that your car is about to die. Well, you can either keep paying for repairs that might never end, or right after fixing it something else gets busted. But sometimes you become tired of that and you want to sell it on Facebook. That might take time. But if you decided to get rid of it and sell it in top cash, I have a better solution. Our company buys your car, we'll pay you top cash on the spot right away, pick up your car and handle the paperwork for free. Just give us a call and let us know about your model and condition. Any vehicle, bus, van, truck and car in any condition, we assure you the best possible offer.